Good morning everyone, my name is Aditya and today I'm going to tell about the Harry Sir Academy. So 3 years back in 2019, I gave my boards exam and I was also having lots of free time. So during that period, one of my friends recommended me the Harry Sir Academy to improve my English or to join the spoken English course of the Harry Sir Academy. So I was very considerate about that. I will be giving the money and what will be the environment, or and we can say that I was having so many questions in my mind that how would be the faculty, or how would be the environment, or how would be their course, that is it worth my money. So I called in the academy and the teacher said that there will be 7 days of demonstration classes and I can come from the other day. So I came to the academy and after the day 1 I was having all of my questions cleared, that I have made my mind that I am going to enroll in the course. So I enrolled in the course and during those 3 months I improved my English vocabulary, I improved my English fluency. I was also good in communication skills. We also practiced a lot about the presentation skills. We were having lots of presentations, group discussions. In the academy we were also having those Vaad Vivaad Pratiyogita. With these activities we all improved our English so much that I can't even tell you. And I would like to also share one story. In our academy there was a captain from the Indian Army. He was an officer. His name was Captain Pradeep. So he also came to the Harry Sir Academy to improve his English. There were many students of college and there were so many students of schools, and we all were here to improve our English in the Harry Sir Academy. So there is no age, or there is no pride. No pride in saying that I don't want to learn, I have learned a lot. So if you want to learn, then you can learn. If it doesn't matter that what's your age or what profession you are in, you can learn. So if you want to join the Harry Sir Academy, you can call in the academy, and there is a 7 days demonstration program. So there you can, if you don't like the academy, you can take your refund, and if you like the academy you can also join the academy to improve yourself and to improve your English. And I would also like to tell you that the teachers here are very amazing. They use so many creative, imaginative thinking. They try to teach us with stories, and they also strive harder to explain the things to the students, that if they are not getting it, they will try it some other way. If they are not getting it that way, they will try some other way, but they will explain to you. And I will also share one small story of my first day in the academy. When I came to the academy, sir came inside from the door and the room was jam-packed. This is a word which I learned in the Harry Sir Academy. The room was jam-packed and there was no room left. And there was Captain Pradeep, there were other students, and I came with my friend. So sir came inside the room and he said, "How are you all?" So we all said, "Sir, I am fine," or "Sir, we are fine." So the first lesson which sir gave to us, that fine is a very outdated word. We should use the words like we should use the words like, "Sir, I am great," "Sir, I am good," or if you have got 2 lakh rupees on the roadside, you can say that, "Sir, I am fantabulous," or "I am fabulous." So these are very good expressions which you can use in your vocabulary. So with this small story, I am trying to tell you that the teachers are trying to improve our English. At the last, I strongly recommend you to join the Harry Sir Academy so you can improve your English, your fluency, your communication skills. And if you are also having those questions like me in your mind, so you can give a call to the academy, and they are also having many online programs. So you can also enroll in the online classes of the academy. In those online classes, it doesn't matter that you are from in Dehradun or you are from anywhere else in India or any other country, you can join the Harry Sir Academy. You can join the Harry Sir Academy and sir will oversee you. You can join those 7 days demonstration classes, and if you like, you can join. But I would strongly recommend you to join the Harry Sir Academy, and thank you. Have a nice day.